Today we're going to review for our test. You're going to be divided into groups. Each group is going to be assigned a section on the test review packet. You're going to be responsible for creating a mini lesson to refresh how to conjugate certain grammar, whether it's good verbs, irregular verbs, or present progressive. You can create a mini game to teach the vocabulary. You can use Kahoot. You create a song. It's your decision. What's important is that whatever you create is for the students to learn that section that you were responsible for. Remember this game? You can create a game like this in a huge poster. It can be used for grammar or vocabulary, so use your imagination, be creative. Good verbs. Do you remember this packet? Everybody needs to memorize now which would verb change to what. So you were given this section on the test review packet. What is the best way to memorize these verbs? For example, dormir, the O changes to UE, cerrar, the E changes to an IE, sonreír, the E changes to an I, jugar, the U changes to UE. How can we memorize what verbs go to what good verbs? So come up with a game or a song, whatever you can figure out, so the students can memorize these tables right here. Remember, I give you some verbs that you really need to know for the test. You put an asterisk on this packet, so you have to memorize this section. Good verbs. You were given this section on the test review. You and your group are responsible for creating a refreshment mini lesson on how to conjugate good verbs, why they're called good verbs, the two parts of a verb, etc., etc. Irregular verbs. If you were given the irregular verbs section of the test review packet, you need to come up with a mini lesson, a game of your choice, a Kahoot, or a song, so the students can memorize all the your irregular verbs, how to conjugate them, and what do they mean. Ser versus star. If you were given this section, come up with a game, a lesson in which students can memorize the ser for Muppet and a star for help, and how to use them. What is the difference between using ser versus a star, and how to conjugate them correctly. Present progressive. Your team will be responsible for providing a mini lesson to the class and do a refreshment course on how to conjugate in the present progressive, what verbs are needed to conjugate in the present progressive, and the steps. Last section of the test review is vocabulary, lesson 77 to 82. If your group was given this section, you're responsible for creating a game. You can do Kahoot, or you can use a Cerdito poster, a big poster, the ones that we use in the classroom, or you can create your own idea, something that the students can review, vocabulary 77 to 82. Okay, now you're going to see the groups. As soon as you see your name and what group you're assigned to, start getting together right away. You're going to have 5 to 7 minutes to create your mini lesson / game or song, whatever you came up with. Be creative. This is how you do a telegami and an iMovie. If I can do it, you can do it. Buena suerte.